format here at Rainforest Challenge is we come into the jungle proper. I mean, it's awesome. And come to a camp, a base camp, and now we have 6 very technical special stages that we have to do as quickly as we can without assistance. It's all done with our own equipment. So we go out, do a technical little bit where it's steep drops and tight turns and then winching up, and it's not with other competitors, it's on your own to get through it as quickly as possible.
Okay, thank you very much.